Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Porsche Cayenne bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside the cabin, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the primary latch. You should hear a click as the bonnet slightly pops open. Now, proceed to the front of your vehicle to complete the process. Once at the front, gently lift the bonnet a few inches. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch, which is usually positioned in the center, just under the front edge. Depending on your model, you'll either push this latch to the side or lift it upwards. This action fully releases the bonnet, allowing you to raise it completely. With the bonnet fully open, look for the support rod. It's typically attached to the underside of the bonnet itself, or sometimes to the engine bay. Carefully detach the rod and extend it. There's a specific slot or hole designed to hold the rod, usually marked, to keep the bonnet securely propped open while you work. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod and secure it back in its clip. Gently lower the bonnet until it's about 10 to 12 inches from closing. Then, firmly press down on the center or both sides of the bonnet until you hear it click securely into place. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.